Carl doubled down on his crypto investment when Bitcoin dropped below 40 grand. Carl says it'll reach $100,000 by year's end. Now, you've made a very big bet on this. But my question, Carl, is why hasn't Bitcoin taken off during the war?
Well, first of all, I think that looking at Bitcoin in the short term kind of defeats the purpose of what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a long-term solution to a broken financial system. And I think in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, that's the kind of time horizon I have when I look at Bitcoin. So the question why Bitcoin is not going up dramatically in value right now, well, I think that the fundamentals of Bitcoin have never been stronger.
Well, what are the fundamentals of Bitcoin that have never been stronger, that will produce a $100,000 price tag at the end of this year?
Well, first of all, the hash rate is still going up year over year. The amount of people using Bitcoin, holding Bitcoin, is going up year over year. And in times of uncertainty, we've seen that people increasingly turn to Bitcoin as a form of money, store of value, because Bitcoin is the only money in the world that has no political attachment. Your bank money can get frozen, your gold can get confiscated, but Bitcoin, you can literally cross a border with your private keys in your head, and you can travel the world with millions of dollars literally stuck in your brain. This is something that has never been possible before, and we can see that people in times of uncertainty are actually using Bitcoin more and more. And in the next few years, if you believe that uncertainty will increase, I'm sure Bitcoin will also increase.
I just don't understand why right now, at a time of extraordinary uncertainty, war in Europe and chaos in various economies, I'm just wondering why Bitcoin hasn't taken off already, or the rest of the cryptos, because they really haven't. Last word to you.
Okay, so first of all, I would say that I think that it's wrong to look at the weekly basis. You have to have a longer time horizon, the next few months and the next 2-3 years. And also I want to say to people that believe that gold might take over, gold has thousands of years of price history. I agree with that. But just like horses have had thousands of prices, has had thousands of years, that doesn't mean that people are using horses today for transportation. People are using cars. The same with Bitcoin. We live in a digital world. We need a digital money, and we need a non-political digital money. And Bitcoin is the only solution. And I think that right now people are realizing it, but it will take some time before we will see the full transformation.
Carl Runefelt, thanks very much for joining us. We will, of course, be checking on Bitcoin every single day for the next 10 years, and that's a fact. Thank you, Carl. We'll see you again soon.
Thank you so much for watching that segment. I hope that you liked it. Bitcoin is the only non-political money in the world. Remember, guys, your bank money can get frozen, your gold can get confiscated, but Bitcoin remains, whether you're in Ukraine, whether you're in Russia, or Slovenia, or Sweden, Dubai, no matter where you are, Bitcoin is always online, always working for you and for everyone else. I think that is revolutionary. I'm so happy to be part of Bitcoin, especially in times like these of massive global uncertainty. So thank you so much for the support.